This is how to use AI trading using the spike detector to detect, derive algorithms and catch sniper entries. When you see the arrow, it means that there is a signal that the market is gonna spike. A red arrow is showing a spike down, and a green one is showing a spike up. This was a live trade. I hope some of you are live on this trade on Boom 600. So we got the entry. The market have shown up, so we enter buy positions. And by the way, make sure you are joining all my live trade where we are using AI trading, we are using the spike detector. We see the manipulation in the live happening, and we trade it. Don't miss our next live trade. Just check out this sniper entry where we have entered barely only 2 candles and the spike happened because the algorithm is right. You can see double spike, and the spike is very big. And I hope to see you in the next live session. And when you are trading using the spike detector, don't miss each single day, and let's win together.